Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper on Friday. Yes, Friday, January the 24th, 2025, the last working day of the week. We have here three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars, 4 star Sudoku, and the killer Sudoku. We have also in this newspaper an additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you the extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars Sudoku, and a 4 star Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cipher block, in Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, not now. Now I will do these 3 regular puzzles. News of today, well, now the West Bank instead of the Gaza. Yes, the Israeli army is aiming the West Bank, so it's the second Gaza in Israel. Anyway, the war is not ended, still not ended, so enough about the war. Let me start with the puzzle. 3 star Sudoku number 9961, 9961. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. Should be an easy one because usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25. This one has 27. Should be a 1 star puzzle. 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with the 3 stars for 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Question is this a 1 star or 3 stars puzzle? We don't know. We'll see, so let's get started. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and 8. We have 3 and 8 in this row, so no 3 and 8 in these 2 boxes. 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 3 goes there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square for the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Right. Then 5, I need a 6 here, I need an 8 there. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above, so that row the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this column, last column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in the first row, no 8 there, 8 should be here. 8 in the third row, 8 in the first row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in the first column, no 8 there, 8 should be here. 8 in the third column, 8 in the first column. So in the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 8. Alright, and now let me see. How about 9 here. We have a pair in this big square. 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 9. We have 7 and a 9 in this row, so no 7 and 9 in this box. We have a 7 and a 9 in this second row, so no 7 and 9 in these 2 boxes. 2 boxes are left in this big square for the 7 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. So 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. Oh, no. We already have a 4. Again, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 6 in the second row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 6, 6. You need a 2 here. 2, 2. 2 missing numbers in this row. Third row for numbers. The 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Need a 1 here. Need a 2. And I need a 6 here. Yeah, 3 missing. Well, we have a pair. No, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 6. We have a 1 and a 6 in this row, so no 1 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. We have a 1 and a 6 in this column, no 1 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. So 2 boxes are left in this big square for the 1 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. Alright. Then, let me see. 7. 1 and a 6 need 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 3. We have 3 in this column, no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left on the 3 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square for the numbers. The 1, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in the second row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row, so in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4 is missing, 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 4 in the first row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then, let me see. 1 box left now in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing here. Alright. 9. I need a 9 here or there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row, some row between the middle row. The only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 7. Need a 3 here. Come on. Need a 1 here. 2, 8, 9, 3. Come on. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes in there. 7 here. 9 here, okay. 2 missing numbers in the middle row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing, 4 and 9, 4 and 9. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 9 goes there. Need a 9 here. 5, 6, 7. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7. And look, we have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. We have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in that row, so no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 in this big square should be there. So the 5 and the 7 are left. Let me mark those. 7, 5, and I need a 9 here. 9, 7, 6, 6. I need a 4, need a 5 here. Need a 7 yet. In this big square, we have 6 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 5. We have 7 and a 5 in this column. No 7 and a 5 in these 3 boxes. We have a 7 and a 5 in the last row. No 7 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. So 2 boxes are left in this big square for the 7 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. 6, 4. 6, okay. But it's not helping me here. 5, 8, 9, 8, 7. Okay. Need a 1 here, need a 2, and I need a 4 here. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. Yeah. 7. I need a 9 here. 9, and I need a 6 in the last column. 6 in that column, so the column between. The only place level 6 should be here. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So that row, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, or there. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. 6 in the second column, no 6 there. The only place level 6 should be there. 7, 5. I need a 2 here. 2, 2. Okay. Alright. 7. Come on. 7, 5. I need a 4 here. 4, 4. 2, 4, and 2, 4, and 1. 2, 4, and 1, and 2, 4, 1, and 9. In this big square, we need a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 in these 2 boxes. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 in that box. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Shoot it in. And we have a pair in this big square. 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and the 7. We have a 9 and a 7 in this column, no 9 and 7 in this box. We have a 9 and a 7 in the last column, no 9 and 7 in these 2 boxes. So 2 boxes are left in the column between the 9 and the 7. 9 and 7, 9 and 7. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 and the 5, we have a 7 now in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place left for the 5 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. Cannot fill this yet. Here also 2 and the 4. And in the 1 here, so we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the 7, we have a 9 in the second column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in the third column for numbers 1. 2 is missing, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing, 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. We have a 5 in the last row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 7 and the 5, we have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above, so that row, the only 2 places left for 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column, so the first column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next, so that column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above, so that row, only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the 6, we have a 1 now in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 4 in the 6, we have a 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers. 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 2 and the 4, I believe. 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, same numbers. 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 13 minutes. Wow. We solve it again. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. Should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 13 minutes. So well pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with other 2 regular puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.